Looks like the ISS might have to start 3D printing surfboards because there are tsunamis on Mars. Hi, I'm Krista-Lee, and this is the Technophiles Newscast. And today I'm going to present you with yet another reason to both go to Mars and pick up surfing. Recently, a team of scientists led by Dr. Rodriguez at the Planetary Science Institute have found evidence that there may have been two massive tsunamis on ancient Mars. This evidence comes from geomorphic and thermal image mapping, and some other number crunching analyses. See, most scientists agree that there used to be water on the surface of Mars. However, whether or not that water took the form of a massive ocean has not yet been confirmed. Here's what we do know. There are channels that were probably carved by water. If Dr. Rodriguez is correct, and there were two massive tsunamis on Mars, they would have been big enough to actually destroy the shoreline that we have been looking for in order to prove the whole ocean theory. This may all seem a little far-fetched considering how dry Mars's surface is right now, but it actually makes a lot of sense. We know there was water there at one point, and if there was a massive ocean, the fact that we don't see a coastline would be explained by the tsunamis. See, in the distant past, say every 2 to 3 million years, Mars is being hit with meteors large enough to leave 30-kilometer crater impact zones. A meteor impact of this size would easily cause tsunamis over 100 meters tall. A tsunami that large is going to be so destructive that it actually would destroy a lot of the coastline, or what we would expect to see when looking for a coastline. The only problem scientifically right now is we don't really have anything on Earth that makes a good comparison to test out this theory. So really, the only way we can confirm this ocean hypothesis and tsunami idea and all the other water-related issues on Mars is to actually go to Mars and poke around the landscape a little bit. But hey, we're all about going to Mars anyways, right? So, allons-y! Do you have any of your own theories about water on Mars? Let us know in the comments below or tweet us at Technophiles Pod. You can also find us on Facebook at Technophiles Podcast, or go to our website where you can see this and all our other shows. And that's www.technophilespodcast.com. Here, I'm going to make our director link all our other Mars shows. Okay, not all, we covered a lot, but here's some other newscasts where we talk about going to Mars. And over here, we have some podcasts. We have Sci-Fi Science, and I don't remember if I said subscribe button, but that's here. Please subscribe. We love people who subscribe more than people who don't. That's right. I said it.